और अपडेट हम अपने दर्शकों को दे दें तमिलनाडु से, जहां पर 10 जगहों पर टैक्स रेड चल रही है। आयकर विभाग द्वारा बड़ी रेड लगातार जारी है और आपको बता दें कि ये रेड्स जेल में बंद मंत्री सेंथिल बालाजी के भाई के घर पर की जा रही हैं। इनमें सेंथिल बालाजी के भाई अशोक की संपत्ति भी शामिल है, जो इस एजेंसियों की जांच के दायरे में है। सेंथिल बालाजी को 14 जून को ईडी ने गिरफ्तार किया था। तो धरनी, अगर देखा जाए कैश फॉर जॉब स्कैम में सेंथिल बालाजी को अरेस्ट किया, उसके बाद से उन पर नकेल लगातार कसती जा रही है। अब देखा जाए तो उनके रिश्तेदार, उनके भाई के ठिकानों पर ही अब छापेमारी हो रही है। 10 जगह पर ये छापेमारी हो रही है। क्या ये छापेमारी अभी भी जारी है और क्या कुछ अभी तक इसमें निकलकर सामने आया है?
This is not the first time the income tax department is raiding Senthil Balaji's brother Ashok's, house and other properties related to him. In fact, 2 months back, a similar IT raid happened in all those locations, and at that time, the GMK supporters they vandalized the income tax officials' vehicles, and in fact, the IT officials had to go file a complaint with Karur District Police in Tamil Nadu, against these GMK men who manhandled them and who vandalized their vehicles. So the situation turned out to be, chaotic at that point. This was 2 months back, but now for a second time, the income tax department is raiding 10 locations in relation to Senthil Balaji's brother Ashok's house. These raids have been going on since 7 a.m. in the morning, and as I'm talking right now, the raids are over in most of the places except for 1 or 2 locations. Of course, Senthil Balaji has now been arrested by the Enforcement Directorate in relation to a cash for job scam that unfolded when he was a transport minister in the AIADMK regime in 2014-15 period. So now he is in judicial custody. He is at the Kaveri Hospital, undertaking medical treatment for blocks in his, arteries. But now his brother's locations are being raided by the income tax officials. So definitely, the central investigative agencies, they are tightening their grip on the Senthil Balaji's, first family. Right now, he is in judicial custody, and now his brother's locations are being raided. So definitely, the grip over Senthil Balaji's family by the investigative agencies, be it the Enforcement Directorate or the income tax, it's only being tightened.